Chantae. If you don't know, now you know, and since you know, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Today's video is going to be how I actually put wigs over my locks. I told you guys that this one was coming, so I had to bring it to you guys as promised. So yeah, this is like, what locks, honey? What locks? If you'd like to know how I conceal my locks under my wigs, then just keep on watching. Yeah, this is the wig that I'm going to be wearing today. I just need to kind of redefine the curls, so I'm going to be doing that. You're going to need a cap for your head. You're going to need some Glueless knot for your edges, some Got2b to lay your wig, of course, and this Soft Curls by Miss Jessie's for the wig to redefine the curls. And I also have this water here just to wet the hair down. So once my hair is nice and wet, I'm going to put my cap on. And this cap, it does not go all the way on my head. As you guys can see, it's kind of a small cap. So my edges are left out, but I actually like that. So yeah, I'm just going to show you guys. So next, I'm going to lay my edges, and it doesn't have to be anything dramatic because my edges aren't really going to be showing too much in this wig. So yeah, I just like to do a little something just in case. So that's what I'm doing now. Of course, I don't have any product on here yet. I'm just getting the hairs out. And this is when the Glueless knot comes in. So I'm just going to put a little on the back of my hand. I do not need a lot. This might even be too much. And again, it does not have to be super fancy or anything. I just want my hair to look neat if my wig is to move to the side. So that's all I'm taking care of right now. I tuck those little edges in, like just the ends from the edges, if that makes sense, y'all. So once you have this done, like your edges laid, basically what you don't really have to do, it's time to apply the wig. So what I like to do is take my wig and I'm going to put it in a ponytail, and this just makes it easier to apply so that there's not so much hair in your way. Here's my ponytail. So that's how I do that. And this wig is a side part wig, so I just scoot it to the side. And with my combs, I hope that you guys can see this. So you see that I have my cap here. I like to put my combs under my cap. Not in my hair, but under my cap. And that's more comfortable for me. So yeah, I do that with the comb in the back and also the comb in the front. So I'm just going to place my wig where I want it before doing my front comb. See, I feel like that looks good as far as placement goes. I still have a little bit of exposed edges, but that's okay. That's why I like to go ahead and lay my edges so that if I do have something exposed, it'll blend with the wig. So I'm going to go ahead and take that ponytail down now and just sort out my baby hairs. My next step is to actually lay my wig. I don't go all the way through and lay glue all over my hairline. I really just put it right here at the part, and that is it, because I don't wear my wig longer than the day that I put it on. I literally put it on and take off the same day. So my Got2b gets so watery. I don't know why it does that. Yeah, I'm just going to put a little on the back of my hand. And I'm going to take the tail of my comb and kind of mix this. And then I'm just going to take a little tiny amount, lift my wig, and put this right here in front of my edges, because that's where this lace is going to fall. So right here in front of my edges. I don't freak out if I get it on my edges because it just takes a little bit of water and you're fine. It'll come right off and your edges won't come out. So once I have that glue right where I want my part to land, I'm going to pull my wig forward and sit it. And while it's sitting there, I'm going to take just the back of my comb and smooth it down. And that's basically how I lay the wig, and now all that's left is to lay my edges and to get the hair, you know, situated and popping looking. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay my edges next. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually wet my edges just to get some of that glue out. I'm just gonna go ahead and just brush through really quick. See how I want it to go. So I'm actually going to take the same glue and I'm going to lay my edges. And this is actually really, really secure. Not only is the wig glued down to your head just a little bit, but your edges are too. So like I don't have any problems with my wig coming off or anything. I kind of put a little too much glue right there. Wipe over it just to get some of that glue. So once I have that nice and laid, I like to take my comb again and actually tuck those parts under the wig. Kind of how I did my natural hair and the cap. So now I'm going to do the same to the front here. For my edges, I like to use a headband or a scarf to tie them down. And ignore this when it has makeup all over it. I'm not sure if you guys can see it or not, but it does have makeup all over it. But okay, I just throw this on like so. Take out the ponytail and then I can start styling the hair. And I forgot to mention the adjustable straps. I also tuck these into the wig. I don't use them because I have a big head. So I don't need to use them. Okay, so next is actually styling the hair. I'm going to zoom you guys out for this part. Out, not in. Okay, so here's the hair. I'm going to split it in 2 sections. And I don't know why, but I always like to start on the left side of my head. So we're just going to wet this hair down. It doesn't need to be dripping wet because these curls pop back kind of good. So it doesn't have to be dripping wet. And I also get the top of the wig so that I can flatten it out. And I just sprayed the mess out of my glasses, y'all. And I'm so mad because it's oil in here. And if you know anything about getting oil off of glasses, man, y'all, it's annoying. Once my hair is nice and damp, this is where I like to go in with my Miss Jessie's Jelly Soft Curls. And I put a generous amount on each side. Like this is one side. It's not a lot, but it's not a little bit either. And I add more if I need more. But yeah, this actually really defines the curls nicely. Just work that through this side. And look at that. This side doesn't have any product on it yet. When it doesn't look bad, but this is with the product and this is without. So you can kind of see the difference. So I'm just going to go ahead and do the same to this side. And this hair dries really quick. So I'm going to add some more water. The Miss Jessie's. And I like to make sure that the top is really, really flat. I feel like that makes it look more natural as well. Okay, so now I can actually remove this headband. I don't have to leave it on for long because the Got To Be doesn't take long to set. So take that off. And here is my laid hair, you guys. So simple, cute, easy, fast. And let me show you guys my party. It looks good. So that's pretty much it for this video. I showed you guys how I apply my wigs over my locks. I hope that it was helpful for you guys. Like, you can't even tell that like there's locks under here. It's just so hidden, so flesh, you know. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. I hope that I helped you guys know how to, you know, conceal your locks under a wig, a lace front, a lace wig, whatever, you know. And it's the same way for synthetic wigs as well, because I also wear a synthetic wig. So I hope that you guys found this video helpful. If you haven't tried wigs over your locks, try it out, you guys. Like, it's a quick switch up. Like, I feel like a whole nother female. Like, it's a really safe, protective style. It's quick, it's simple, it's easy. Yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys enjoyed, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed already, and a notification bell so that you'll know when I upload. We're getting really close to 800 subscribers. My goal is 1,000 right now. So y'all, we have to reach 1,000 at the beginning of 2020. Like, within the first month or two, we need to. So you guys help me out. Please go ahead and subscribe, especially if you enjoy any of my videos, whether it's my hair videos, my makeup videos, talking videos, just anything. If you enjoy my videos, please just go ahead and subscribe for your girl. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.